In this video I'm going to be showing you how to diagnose the compression system on this whipper snipper. We've gone ahead and done an electrical check. We're getting a spark at the spark plug here. I've shown that in another video. We've done our pre-start check, so we can't prime this primer bulb up. The fuel lines are okay, there's fuel in the tank, the filter's okay. So I'm guessing there's a problem with the carburetor here, which is part of our next diagnosis. But before we do that and spend any money, we're going to just check that the compression system is okay. To do that, we're going to turn this machine over. We're going to take this air cleaner cover off. So this one's got a clip here. Yours may have a clip, two clips, a screw thread, something. They're all a little bit different, but the principle's the same. Just remove this outer cover. And now you can see down in here that goes straight into the engine. So that's where air comes in and it mixes with fuel and goes straight into the engine. So if we get fuel straight down there, we're going to bypass all of this other mechanical stuff and we should be able to start it. So to do that, we're just going to go ahead and make sure this is in the run position. So you might have a switch up around here somewhere. Just make sure it's in the run position. Grab the throttle, so the throttle's on full, so as if you want to make it go as fast as you can. And then with the choke in, that's the closed or start position, that's the open or run position. With it in the run position, we want to get some fuel, and I just use a syringe. There's about a mil of fuel in there. Just squirt that straight down the middle. Now you can let go of the throttle, put this on the closed or choke position, and now we should be able to pull this and start it. There's fuel's gone straight into the engine and this spark should spark it. So let's just give it a start now. If you need to put this on the floor to stabilize it, you can go ahead and do that. I'm just going to leave it on the bench. So let's give it a go. So if that didn't start like that, you can just get a little bit more fuel and just repeat the process one more time. Put that in the full choke position. Okay, that ran a little while actually. That's usually longer than it runs, so it's probably started to clear this carburetor. But either way, we can just tell that there's nothing wrong with this motor. That's fine. So I'm still going to replace this carburetor because I'm not happy with that. It's old and it needs replacing. Now I'm going to show you another way to get fuel in there, just so you don't have to go out and buy a syringe. You can simply just grab a teaspoon. So I've just got a teaspoon here with some fuel on it. You can just do the same thing. Put the choke open, hold the throttle full, get some fuel down the middle there, release the throttle, put it in the full choke position, and then give it another start. And again, you can hear that fuel burn out and then the machine stops. So there's definitely something wrong with this carburetor. We're going to go ahead and replace that now in another video. But this machine is mechanically fine. The compression system's fine.